So let's get to those charts as we start out looking at the light crude market. So we're looking at cycle analysis. These are cycle brackets at the bottom. They're simply a drawing tool. What they do is show us the rhythms in the market so that we can see what the strongest directional component is. And through that, we use our momentum indicator here, the slim ribbon. Anybody can get the slim ribbon on their Thinkorswim platform. You have to have Thinkorswim, and you can just go to our site, and we're going to go to the resource tab, and you'll be able to download the slim ribbon. And what it does is it colors the bars a little differently when they're positive momentum or when they're negative momentum. It colors the volume bars in here and gives you little signals, like when the momentum turned positive right over here, and you could see that the S&P, the light crude, was trading here at around 27, and then when it got all the way up here to about 41.5, while it was in this positive mode. Also, we combine that with the projection oscillator to get confirmation signals for buys or adds, or just to tell us that it is still strong or weak. In this case, it's been in buy mode for a long period of time, and you can see it has continued to move up. Where are we now? Well, we expected a little dip and then another rally. That's basically what we got. Now we're really looking for, a choppy action right in here and continuing to try to get up. The upside range, the top of it is 41.50 with a potential for 44. The downside range over here is at around 37.40 right over here, and then a potential for a lower price over here around 34.50. So that's, we believe we're stuck in there right now. There's this battle going on between improved economies, at least the thought that it was going to improve and demand would go up, and OPEC basically saying that they're not going to hold to these cuts for that long. So you can see what that's doing is flattening it out right here as volatility is really going down. And we think we're still going to be stuck in the range for another week or so and then chop around, but then the downside we think is going to take over, and that might be in alignment with pressure coming in from stocks moving to the downside, which of course we think is going to happen. So momentum's still strong. The sum of the evidence really is that there is big intermediate resistance in here, and with that OPEC apparently cap in the market, we think that it's going to get very, very little movement in here and then eventually break to the downside.